Welcome to Simple Crypto Start, your go-to channel for beginner-friendly crypto guides. Today we're talking about what's a blockchain, explained like you're 10. If you've ever wondered how crypto like Bitcoin works, this is for you. Hit subscribe and the bell for more easy lessons. Let's jump in. Imagine you and your friends have a big notebook where you write down every time you trade toys. This notebook, ISNT, kept by just one person, is shared with everyone in your group. Everyone has a copy, and you all add new trades at the same time. That's kind of what a blockchain is. A blockchain is like a super special notebook for computers. It keeps track of things like who owns Bitcoin, but instead of toys, it's digital money. And instead of you and your friends, it's a bunch of computers all over the world working together. Here's how it works. Let's say you send a Bitcoin to your friend. That trade gets written down as a little note, called a transaction. Before it's added to the notebook, some computers called miners check if it's real. They solve a tricky math puzzle to make sure no one's cheating. Once they agree, your trade gets added to a page in the notebook called a block. Each block is like a page with lots of trades on it. When the page is full, it gets locked, so no one can change it. Then, it's connected to the page before it, like a chain of pages. Get it? That's why it's called a blockchain. This chain keeps growing as more trades happen, and every computer gets the same updated notebook. Why is this cool? First, it's super safe. Since everyone has a copy of the notebook, no one can sneak in and change a trade. They'd have to change every single copy, which is almost impossible. Second, no one person controls it. Not a bank, not a grown-up, nobody. It's like you and your friends making the rules together. Let's make it even simpler with a story. Imagine you have a candy store with a magic notebook. Every time someone buys candy with Bitcoin, the notebook writes it down by itself. Everyone in town has a copy of this notebook, so they can all see who bought what. No one can lie about buying candy, because the notebooks would show different stories, and everyone would know. That's how blockchain keeps things honest. Blockchains aren't just for Bitcoin. They can be used for other stuff too, tracking toys, games, or even making sure food at the store is safe to eat. It's like a magic notebook that helps with lots of things, not just money. One thing to know, blockchains can be slow sometimes because all those computers have to agree. And mining uses a lot of energy, like keeping a bunch of lights on all day. But people are working on making it faster and better for the planet. So that's a blockchain, shared magic notebook that keeps trades safe and fair with no one in charge. Pretty awesome, right? If you like this, subscribe to Simple Crypto Start for more easy crypto lessons. Check out my TikTok at @SimpleCryptoStart101 for quick tips. Want to learn more? Start with Coinbase. Link in the description. What's your favorite thing about blockchain? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.